this side. When you've done all of them, for each feature, oops, when you've done all of them, for each feature you have to create a separate sketch. But since we have just one feature, 2 sketches is fine.
It's not just one.
I know, you'll do it yourself.
Okay.
Then lofted cut. There you have it. Then you create a plane. You say, for example, 400 millimeters. Flip offset, so go in. Okay. Then you click it, and then you go sketch. Convert identities, but you click an arrow and you click intersection curve. Then you click top, bottom, this thing, and then this thing. Then you click OK. There is your first rib, first face of the rib. Then, if it was 400, then the next one you create should be 400 plus the thickness. So if your thickness is 3 millimeters, flip offset. You do the same thing. 1, 2. Click on every hole you made. Do this thing as well. Okay. There are 2 of them there. Then when you have all the ribs in place, you delete your loft. You delete your loft. You don't delete child features. Click yes. Continue, close. Then you repair your sketches. You delete cut loft as well. Then you repair your sketches. You go edit sketch, and you see these green things. You click, delete, click, delete, and you delete every single green thing you can find. Delete, delete. Edit sketch, close. Then you repair this one as well. Delete, 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 delete. Edit sketch, they're repaired. Now you have 2 sketches, then you just load them together. Features, load base, click on one. Closed loop. Okay, and the same one here. You loft them. Then if you want to make holes, take these sketches where the holes are, copy them. Okay, you should do this one. Then choose a plane where it was. You should name all your planes so you won't be confused as well. Then you do lofted cut. And this one. And this one. There you have your rib. Okay? And then you do the same, just repeat it and repeat it for how many ribs you need. That's it.
Thank you.